I have this schema with around 28 tables. Look at this data model here. We have sales order header table, sales order detail, and in the dashboard, I'm going to show you all the sales transactions from these two tables. And this sales order header table, every line here also has reference to purchase order number. But there's no join between any of these tables here and PO table, purchase order header table here. Now, when there's no join and still you want to interact with these two different data model, how do you do that in Encarta dashboard? Let's look at this example here. A list of purchase order number here and then list of sales order, and each sales order refers to some purchase order number as well. And then all the transactions for that sales order. Now, requirement is I want to look at all the purchase order number here, and then for a particular vendor. In this case, this vendor name is Bike Satellite. So let me remove this filter. Around 3.7K purchase orders and then 4.4 million sales order transactions. So if I filter this by this particular vendor, it filters data only in this table, not in this at all, because this table doesn't refer to any vendor. And now I want to take all of this purchase order number and get all the transactions here for 48 purchase order numbers which are listed here, because some of these purchase order number are definitely there in some of the transactions, 4.4 million transactions listed here. Now, one way to do that in Encarta is I can just take all of these purchase order numbers, press Ctrl C or Command C based on which laptop you use, and then I can filter this PO number by copy pasting these purchase order number for this PO number sales. So in the prawn filter, I've enabled search for PO number sales from sales transactions. I can go to edit in bulk, paste all of these and make sure you use line break and then click on done and click on apply. So now these 4.6 million transactions are back to 46,000 transactions, and every transaction here refer to one of the purchase numbers, but PO number listed here.